Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off delete slide to type by words on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down again and find the keyboard then top. Then after that in the keyboard, scroll down and find the delete slide to type by word, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just click again the switch button. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off delete slide to type by words on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!